When I first visualized what plane that I wanted to talk about, transverse was the first one that popped up in my mind, so I'm going to begin there. This plane is also considered the horizontal plane, so it definitely goes kind of like the horizon. It divides the body into superior and inferior sections. Just like the figure in 1.8 in our book, the transverse plane can divide either organs, like the brain, or the entire body. So if you kind of want to go at the diaphragm, you'll be able to see the different parts and organs that would be in each. So if you did it around the diaphragm, the superior portion would have your lungs, your heart, some of your spinal cord, trachea, esophagus. And if you do the inferior area, it would be the liver, kidneys, bladder, uterus, ovaries for a female, large intestines, small intestines, bowel, all of those. So that is the transverse. The frontal plane is similar to the transverse, but it does anterior and posterior sections. Both of these planes are great for viewing the lungs at the same time. If you wanted to either do transverse or frontal, it gives you a good idea of what you'll need to look for.